decided to do a video sharing with you all my look. I haven't washed my hair yet, but I'm going to do my face. I need to kick out a couple of wig reviews and then I can wash my hair, but I need to put on some makeup. So my face is washed and now I'm going to put on the Laura Mercier. This is her Pure Canvas Primer. This is her Pure Canvas Primer. This is a blurring primer. And I'm just going to apply that to the face. Prep my skin for my foundation. And yes. So I've been treating these two bumps that are right here. It's getting lighter. It was darker. So with these masks that I'm wearing or was wearing, I noticed a breakout. So over time I see different spots of breakouts. I didn't break out like, I don't break out much. I wasn't the one that broke out like big cystic acne. So I'm making sure I continue to wash my mask and to wear either a cotton or silk mask. So I kind of like did my brows a little janky today. I could go over them a little bit, just a little bit. I can't find my concealer brush, the brush that I use to clean up my brows. I don't know what I did with it. And I purchased one from Ulta. It's okay. I don't think I like it slanted. I like the flat shader brush. And this one is slanted. I don't like that one. I like the one just perfectly. Y'all know what I'm saying. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I probably am going to wear Juvia. This is the Saharan. I just pick up a palette, and if a color stands out to me, then I'll try to rock with it. So these are the colors in this here palette. And I'm going to go in with a base. I'm going to use NYX because that's the only thing that I see right here. So I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to place it on my lid. You can put some concealer if you want, but since I have this, I'm just going to use it. So I'm uploading a video, another video with my brother, since you guys like those videos. So we did a couple, so I figured why not knock out a few since he was at our house. Okay, so this is just to set it so that the shadows won't crease when I apply it. Okay, so for my crease, I just used Hula Caramel for now. I'm just gonna place that in my crease as a transition shade. So the next thing, I'm just gonna put this little, I don't know what this shade is. Let's see, it's called Taza. And I'm gonna apply that on the lid all over. Alrighty, so I'm going to use some NYX. This is the glitter primer. I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to like add it to my lid. Laura Mercier. This is the translucent honey powder. I just pour some into my top, about that much, and I place my sponge. Now this sponge is e.l.f. sponge. I really like this one. Actually, it's this color, and it's just like, it helps with the concealer. Press that concealer in. It's not hard like this one that I purchased from I think it is from, I can't remember, but if I remember I'll list it on the screen. This is kind of like hard, and it came in different shapes, but I don't know, that ain't working for me. I like the sponge. I don't like it to be too dense, but I like it to be soft and able to press that concealer or powder in without disturbing the concealer. Okay, and then I just take a little bit of this micro smooth powder from Sephora, and I just place it on my face like so. And then I go in with this powder from Hoola again, and I just take it. It's like a bronzer. Anastasia, this is her trio, blush trio, and this is in Pink Passion. These are the colors, if you can see that. And we're gonna use that too. So I kind of like sweep and add it to my cheek. Okay, and this is from Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome. It's the metallic highlighter. You can find this at Walmart, Walgreens, or like Target. And this is in Molten Gold. So we're gonna use that to apply to the cheeks. This is from Sephora, and it's called the Not Today. It's like a nude. I was gonna put on this from Huda Beauty, which is called Wifey, but I didn't put that. I didn't pair that today. Since I have this eye going on, I just figured I would just put on Not Today. And then I'm just gonna put a liner on my lid to cover up that glue, because it's kind of messy. Okay, I think it looks pretty decent. What y'all think? So now all I have to do is spray my face, put on my hair and makeup. So I just need to put on my hair and my clothes, and I will be back with the final look. All right, you guys, so stay tuned. All right, my love, so this is the look that I have going on. I just did a review featuring this here makeup, just really simple. I didn't put any in the inner corner. Maybe I could put some in if I can open it. I know it's like anytime you, maybe I could put some like a highlight in the inner corner. I have my seat real high. I'm gonna put it like right here. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. If you want to know about this here unit, I have a video coming to really soon. And yeah, this is the look. Bye, y'all.